Hi, Vieira with the Stock Market Live.tv. Today we are going to bring to your attention, the public in general, if you are a regular visitor to the blog of the company Stock Market Live.tv, you are aware of this situation. Scam alert, Credit Suisse, upgrades, Tesla Motors at the very top ahead of a stock market crash. We are going to refer to the existing material on the website of the company. I downgrade Tesla Motors to a strong sell. I remind you that I had a strong buy rating when these Wall Street firms, they had strong sell ratings, namely a few years ago when shares they were trading within 37 to 42. In 2014, I downgraded shares of Tesla Motors to sell $285. Shares they plunged $100 per share within a matter of a few months. In 2015, I upgraded shares to buy 185 and thereafter to strong sell $281, following precisely the same reasoning as I did in 2014. Every step that I've just described, it is recorded live and shared with the subscribers to our service on the blog and the website of the company, and you find several case studies with all these recorded live. So what I would like to call your attention is for this article, the downgrade Tesla Motors to strong sell, that contains several links to articles on the website posted in real time to subscribers. And I'm going to click here on Credit Suisse upgrade, and you have it here on an American scam website. Credit Suisse Tesla stock has substantially more upside, could hit $400 by next year. This is what they said. This was made available to Americans, the poor fellows, on June 29, and precisely coincident with my article dumping shares of Tesla Motors on Credit Suisse upgrade, reversing to the short side. Where do you find this information? Pretty simple. You just have to follow the links, and all these articles, they were made available, I repeat, to subscribers in real time. So we are going to listen today what you have here. In fact, in this article, my comments with regards 8 minutes intraday, my comments with regards to the activity in Tesla Motors calling, and this session was recorded live during a live streaming trading session. And this is just an excerpt where shares today, Tesla Motors, they crashed all the way down to 202. They closed at 213, and I made a wonderful call intraday, precisely reducing the size of short positions very near the intraday bottom. But probably the most important for those that they are investors in general, worldwide, you have here LiveShark. We are the leading company publishing and making available to investors, serious investors, LiveShark, charts that they are very simple, as you can see, clear text and straight lines. And this chart tells precisely investors what to do. So no difficulty at all reading the chart, no technical indicators. We control entirely or 100% control over the stock pivots with regards to Tesla Motors, as well as any other stock in the US stock market or any other company. So this story tells you that in 2015 we downgraded shares to strong sell. The chart was made available precisely at the top, and today shares they plunged, as you are aware of, to 202 on the exchange. So congratulations to everyone. You just have to click here on Make It Live, and I repeat, this chart, a live chart, was made available to everyone for you to sell shares at the very top and to reverse to the short side. We recommended a quadruple short position in Tesla Motors ahead of a crash. And bear in mind that when we published the chart, as you can see here, I'm just showing you this live. When we made available the chart, shares they plunged all the way down to 195. Thereafter they bounced to 270, and at 269 I was recommending ahead of earnings to triple the size of the short position, and today, I repeat, you had 202. So this to say that it's impossible to lose money trading Tesla Motors, and quite frankly, I think that based on facts, I'm not referring just to Tesla Motors, the long history with regards to Credit Suisse and some other investment firms, they should be respond before the Senate, since the Senate and the US government, for example, they have been investigating, in my opinion, very well, matters, for example, the case of Volkswagen in Europe, or UEFA, that everyone in fact is aware of for years, as well as the case of Volkswagen. It is a public case since 2011. I'm quite frankly surprised why Volkswagen came to the public just in 2015, when this is of knowledge since 2011. I'm not sure why. Probably the Europeans, they have been interested to hide this information, probably the Germans. But in Tesla Motors and with regards to these Wall Street firms upgrading shares at the very top, Credit Suisse did the same in companies like Fusion and many others, you have a stock market crash. You had thereafter shares plunging, and obviously this was made for reasons that everyone knows. The poor American fellow, and Donald Trump warned you also to send these Mexicans to Mexico. The Credit Suisse is using this precisely to sell at the top, and the American poor fellow is holding the bag, and the Mexicans are laughing. And obviously no Swiss invested in Tesla Motors other than to dump, while the Americans, they were buying at the top. So quite frankly, I mean, I find this extraordinarily simple. You had the information, I repeat, in real time on the blog of the company. And today, if you are losing money in Tesla Motors, is it entirely your responsibility? In fact, I think that you deserve to lose, and the more you lose, more happy everyone becomes, including obviously Credit Suisse.